How to open Kotak Mahindra Bank account at home. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin, and today I'll guide you on how you can open Kotak Mahindra Bank account at home online. Well, first things first, you'll need to download the Kotak 811 mobile banking application. Now, before we start, let's get into the eligibility. The eligibility for it is you are 18 years of age or above. You have a valid Aadhaar and PAN card. You are a resident of India with an Indian address. You have not been an old customer or an existing customer of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Now, you can simply go ahead and install the mobile banking application, or you can also go through it through the website. You can go into your browser and look in for Kotak Mahindra Bank account opening, and there you'll get various offers that you can choose and open one. If you wish to do it through the application, you can install the application and go ahead and open the application, log in using your mobile number and other details that will ask for, and then you'll have to submit your valid Aadhaar and PAN card, and you'll have to go through video KYC as well, and you'll be good to go. So this is the way that you can open Kotak Mahindra Bank account at home. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.